This is a professional development opportunity for middle and high school special education math and science teachers. And the purpose is to implement research-based strategies to increase student retention of skills and to meet, of course, the individualized needs of our students. And so this takes place over 3 dates that are listed on the sheet there. So February 15th, February 27th, and March 20th. And these are full day, 6-hour training sessions. So a little bit of background about the presenter, Dr. Paul Ricamini. He was a former math and special education teacher at both middle and high school levels. He's now a professor at Penn State University, and he is considered a leading educational expert with special education strategies and retention of skills in the classroom. So his research focuses on effective instructional approaches, strategies, assessments, again, with the goal of increasing retention of skills for struggling learners and for students with disabilities. Excuse me. So this is, again, a 3-day intensive PD training. There will be specific strategies that are introduced at each session. The teachers will go back and implement those strategies, look at the student data, monitor progress, and share what those experiences were at the next PD, and then also look how they can be implemented to meet individualized needs of the students, not just a strategy for an entire class, looking at the needs of each individual student. Some of the goals of the training consist of increasing instructional effectiveness of our special education teachers so that they're utilizing research-based strategies that, again, are meet the individualized needs of our students. So again, this will be measured through student academic growth, through formative and summative assessments, progress toward IEP goals and benchmarks, and then other student data to evaluate the effectiveness of those strategies. So we currently have 32 teachers that are pre-registered for the middle and high school. We have a couple different areas that are represented in those numbers. So we have 2 self-contained teachers. It's represented through resource and ICR teachers and also an interventionist. And then with any PD that we want to hold, we want to make sure that we want to monitor the implementation of it and the effectiveness of it. So again, we look through it from our lens of monitoring lesson plans, having structured meetings, support meetings, formal and informal observations, and then also monitoring student data with that also. So looking at, again, formative summative assessments, MAP scores, state assessment scores, looking at progress toward IEPs and goals and benchmarks. So it's always something that's evolving that we want to make sure that's being effective and that we're providing support to our teachers in these settings so that they can meet the diverse individualized needs of our students.